Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. I hope you guys are doing well and doing so much of practice because practice is the only key uh, to achieve your success. Okay, achieve your goals. Okay, so let's go to our today's topic. This is our 21st video of uh, Azure Data Factory real-time scenarios. We have already completed 20 videos on Azure Data Factory real-time scenarios, which are really so much important for the data engineering guys who are preparing for interview or whoever are new in the data engineering field and trying to accustom with the current data engineering scenarios in the market. Okay, so I would recommend you guys to follow without skipping the video. Okay, and today's topic is so much important. Okay, so how to download the files from API and load it to the sync path using Azure Data Factory. Today we will going to see. Okay, so basically we have one sync path option. Okay, there is no file till now. So what we will do, uh, we have one URL. Okay, the demo URL. After hitting this only, it is giving us to one CSV file. Okay, to download. Okay, so basically how to hit this API and download the file from the uh, pipeline. Okay, so how to do these things we will see. Okay, so in real time scenario, what it used to do, client used to give us the API URL and we have to hit it, and every time we need to download the file or we should get the JSON response, we need to we need to just parsing the JSON and make it in a tabular format data. Okay, and after that we have to process it. So here we will see once we are hitting the URL, we are hitting the API, we are downloading the file in our sync path. Okay, basically in the ingestion path in real-time scenario, you can in industry level we used to call it. Okay, so first what we'll do, we'll every data movement activity you have to use copy activity, as you know guys. So copy activity. Okay, so here in source path we need to configure. Okay, the new link service for the new data set, and also link service also we need to configure because it is a okay, it will take from the uh, it will take from the HTTP request. So for that we have to go anything you can choose. Our file will be CSV. I am selecting CSV file. So for this new link service we need to configure there the base URL I have to give. You can pass it dynamically also, but for now I am just uh, giving it in fixed mode. Okay, because we don't have multiple URLs. So authentication perspective also anonymous I am doing. We don't need to give the password and all. Okay, user keys, because it's a wherever I am downloading this thing, it's a demo site. Okay, mm, uh, demo website. Okay, to download the files and all. So then name HTTP server, anything you can give. If you check the connection, it is okay. So now here also it is okay. I can give it DS source HTTP source HTTP. Okay, so all the things are given at once, you don't need to check anything. In sync path what we'll do, we'll simply just uh, go to the gen2 and create our data set, uh, ds http sync. Okay, like this, the same thing, same link service, and the path you need to select. You will sync from this it will sync to this sync path, and whatever file it will come, it will be saved uh, as something demo data.csv file. Okay, so I have given the name and all the things are okay. So schema import elegant optional returned invalid status code is not found. Let me check what is the issue. Okay, I have given the name, so the schema it should be none. Okay, so there is no file already existed. Okay, so now we can go ahead. Okay, so now what we will do, we just need to run the pipeline. It should download the file and put it to the sync path. Okay, so in sync path, still now the file is not here. Once the run completed, we will see. So meanwhile, I want to go through you to our channel. uh, so this is our channel Cognitive Coders. If you still have not watched our videos, I would recommend you guys see our videos and do comment, recommend to your friends and colleagues, whoever are preparing for data engineering interview or a new in data engineering field, because these are all videos for you guys. You don't need to pay a single penny, as it's a non-profitable work. I need you guys support. Okay, without your support we can't do anything. We will not able to grow our channel. Okay, we need your support. Please, please, please do support us, guys. Okay, so thank you. If you still have not subscribed, do subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Okay, and also recommend if any other kind of video you want, any other specific subject, specific content you required, you can comment on the video comment section. I'll make the video on that. Okay, so let's go. The pipeline run completed, and let's see the okay demo data CSV. The data came here. Okay, so now we'll check. You can see the data is here. Okay, so these are the thing. Okay, uh, so these are the thing how to copy your data from a REST API. Okay, how to get the data from a REST API. Okay, so in a get call only, so we have used here the get call method. Okay, so this if you can see the get call method we have used here. There is also also one activity, REST API activity. How to use that we will you discuss in up in our upcoming video also. Okay, so I hope this video, this concept you have understood. Any doubts, you can comment on the video comment section. I will reply on that. Okay, so and if you want to connect with me via topmate or via LinkedIn, or you can get all the links from the video description. Okay, connecting with me via topmate, it's a completely free. All the services are free. That you can join our Telegram channel for the every each and every updates. Okay, you can follow me on Instagram also. All the links are given in the video comment section. Okay, so thank you. You can check our other playlists also. If you have not checked, there are lots of videos we have uploaded. Okay, lots of playlists are there. Okay, you can check it. Okay, I hope these are okay for you guys. Any suggestion you can put in the video comment section. So thank you for watching our video. For now, bye.